Welcome back to Explain the Charts, where we break down the news and the charts to give you the insights you need to make informed trading decisions. Today, November 5th, 2024, we're taking a deep dive into Google stock. Google's recent earnings report showed impressive growth in its cloud division, surpassing $10 billion in quarterly revenue for the first time. This strong performance, fueled by the increasing adoption of AI, has further solidified Google's position as a leader in the tech industry. Analysts are optimistic about Google's future prospects, with 35 out of 60 analysts surveyed by S&P Global Market Intelligence calling it a strong buy. However, recent news about Alphabet's Class A stock underperforming on Monday compared to its competitors might raise some concerns for investors. This could indicate a potential shift in sentiment towards Google, but it's too early to say for sure. Let's turn our attention to the charts and see if they offer any further clues about the future direction of Google. Looking at the daily chart, we can see that Google has been on an upward trend for the past few months, breaking out from a consolidation phase. The stock has gained 22% in 2024, outpacing the S&P 500's gains of around 20%. This strong performance is reflected in the price action, with higher highs and higher lows, suggesting that buyers are in control. The stock hit a new all-time high of 191.75 on July 10th, before encountering resistance around that level. After a slight pullback, Google has continued to rise, but it's important to note that the stock is currently trading near its all-time high. This suggests that further upside potential may be limited in the short term, at least until we see a break above the previous all-time high. The recent decline from its all-time high could be a sign of profit-taking, with some investors realizing their gains after the strong run-up. The daily chart also reveals several key support and resistance levels. The most notable support level is around $130, which has held up well in recent months. If Google breaks below this level, it could signal a larger pullback, potentially towards the $120 level. On the other hand, the $140 level has been acting as resistance, and a breakout above this level could indicate a strong bullish momentum. Overall, the daily chart suggests that Google is in a strong bullish trend, but with the stock near its all-time high, further upside may be limited in the short term. To gain a better understanding of the short-term direction, we need to zoom in on the 1-hour chart. Switching over to the 1-hour chart, we can see a more detailed picture of the recent price action. Google has been consolidating within a narrow range for the past week, indicating a lack of clear direction. This consolidation phase might be a result of investors waiting for further news and earnings reports. The stock has been trading between $165 and $170, with support around $165 and resistance around $170. This suggests that Google might be poised for a breakout in either direction. However, the lack of significant price movements in recent days suggests that the breakout might be delayed. If we look at the 1-hour chart from October 15th to October 22nd, we can see a clear uptrend. During this period, Google broke out from a consolidation phase, indicating a shift in market sentiment. The stock rallied from around $165 to $175, demonstrating strong buying pressure. However, this uptrend was short-lived, and the stock encountered resistance around the $175 level, leading to a pullback. This pullback might be attributed to profit-taking, as some investors took advantage of the rapid price increase. Looking at the 15-minute chart, we can see even more granular details. Google has been trading within a tight range for the past few hours, suggesting a lack of clear short-term direction. The stock has been fluctuating between $169 and $171, with support around $169 and resistance around $171. This suggests that the stock might be poised for a breakout in either direction. However, the lack of significant price movements in recent minutes suggests that the breakout might be delayed. The 15-minute chart also reveals the relative lack of volatility in the stock, suggesting that investors are hesitant to make any major moves. So, what does all this data tell us about Google? In conclusion, while Google has been on a strong bullish trend, the recent news about its underperformance and the consolidation phase on the charts suggests that the stock may be facing some headwinds in the short term. The stock is currently trading near its all-time high, limiting the potential for further upside in the short term. However, the strong fundamentals, including the growth in Google's cloud division and the ongoing adoption of AI, still offer a strong long-term outlook for Google. Key price levels to watch include $165 and $170 on the 1-hour chart and $130 and $140 on the daily chart. A breakout above $170 on the 1-hour chart or $140 on the daily chart could indicate a strong bullish momentum, while a breakdown below $165 on the 1-hour chart or $130 on the daily chart could signal a larger pullback. It's important to monitor the news and earnings reports for any further developments that could influence the stock's direction.